Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Teacher Maricel. In this video, I will be discussing an important topic about words that function as adjectives or adverbs. This video will help us understand how these words modify other parts of speech and improve our sentence construction. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher Maricel. Thank you. Let's begin our discussion with a definition. Let's define first what are adjectives and of course what are adverbs. Let's understand first what are adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns such as persons, places, things, animals, and of course, events. On the other hand, adverbs are words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They give more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. They help explain when, how, or where the action occurs. Now, let's discuss the similarity of adjective and adverb. Adjective and adverb are both parts of speech that modify other words. In short, they are both describing words. So this is their similarity. They are both describing words. This time, let's discuss what is the difference between adjective and adverb. The main difference lies in what they modify or what they describe. Let me show you an illustration. So, adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns such as persons, places, things, animals, and events. On the other hand, adverbs modify or describe adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. So, that is their difference. Now, let us not forget that adjectives and adverbs are both describing words. I hope you get it. Now, let me show you some example of words that function as an adjective or adverb. We should use it in a sentence to see the clear difference of these two. So, in the right column, we use the words as adverb or the function of those words being underlined are adverbs, and in the left column are adjectives. Okay? So let's discuss first number 1. Sentence number 1. The hard chair was uncomfortable. So the underlined word is hard. Hard here is the describing word. And this is functioned as adjective. Why? Because it modifies or describes the word chair. Chair is a noun because it's a name of a thing. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now, in this column, he worked hard to finish the project. Still, the word here is hard. Still, the describing word is hard, but it is now function as adverb. Why? Because it modifies the verb worked. You see, in this column, it modifies the verb worked. But here, it modifies the word chair, which is noun. Okay, let's go to number 2. The low shelf is hard to reach. In here, low is the describing word. It is functioned as adjective because it modifies the word shelf. Shelf is a noun, which is the name of a thing. So in this column, still, we use the word low. He spoke low to avoid being heard. So the function of this word is adverb. Why? Because it modifies the verb spoke. See? Now, number 3. The high mountain peak was breathtaking. Here, the describing word is high, which is adjective. Why adjective? Because it modifies the word mountain. And mountain is a noun, which is the name of a place. Okay? So in here, she jumped high to catch the ball. So, high is still the describing word, but it is functioned as an adverb because it modifies or describes the verb or the action word jumped. Okay? Here, number 4. The wide road was clear. So, in this sentence, we use the describing word wide, and it is functioned as adjective because it modifies or describe the word road. And road is a noun, which is a name of a place. Here, she opened her arms wide. So still, we use the word wide, but as an adverb. Why? Because it modifies the action word opened. How? She opened her arms wide. See? And the last number, she is a fast runner. So, here, fast is function as adjective because it modifies the word runner. Runner is a noun, which is the name of a person. And here, she runs fast. We still use the word fast, but the function is adverb. Why? Because it modifies the verb or the action word runs. I hope you understand my explanation, the difference between adjective and adverb, and how the words function as adjective or as adverb. Okay? I hope it is clear already. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you understand my discussion. Please, please, please do not forget to like and share. And of course, to subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher Maricel, for more educational videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.